Hi, how are you? My name is Anjal Singh and I welcome you to this quick tutorial for this beautiful song 500 Miles. Now this entire song is pretty easy. You're gonna see a lot of twos and zeros, and even though the song might feel long, but every line that we are going to do is quite similar to one another. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the song and see how it goes. So the first line of the song goes something like this. We have. Very good. Let's break that down. So we start with the 0 0 on the third string. So we have 0 0 third string. Then we have a 0 on the second string. Then you have 0 2 0 on the second string and 2 on the third string. Then again 0 on the third string. Then again you have 0 on the second string. Okay, so you see it's just 2 and the rest is just zeros, like really. So we have again from the start you have 0 0, then first second string, then again second string 0 followed by 2 on the third string, then a 0 on the third string, then 0 on the second string, then we have 2, then we have 0, then again 2 all on the third string, then you have 0 2 again, okay, 0 on the second, 2 on the third string followed by 0 on the third, and then 2 on the fourth string this time. Okay, so this is the only time when we come to the fourth string for the first time. Then we have again 2, same 2, and then we do 0 2 on the third, then you have 0 on the second, then you have 2 0 on the third, and then you just have 2 0 2 all on the fourth string, and then third string 0 0. Okay, now the way I said it, it's gonna confuse you like a lot. Okay, so the best approach for you right now is to really read it. Okay, so everything goes pretty plain, very straightforward. So you have 0 0 0. Now this 0, only this comes fast. You see that 0 to 2 jump is quick, so I'm gonna tell you only the quick parts. So the entire thing very slow, only those sections where you are kind of speeding up, let's focus on that, will be much easier since the entire song is just zeros and twos. Okay, and I trust you that you can read it. Okay, so first 0 zeros, the first 3 zeros just go. The fourth 0 before the 2 is quick, like that. Okay, then again everything is slow, and then the second last 0 on this line you go, that 0 is also quick, so that 0 to 2 jump is again quick, and then you again go slow, and then everything, and again the same 0 2. You see that's the same jump from 0 to 2, which is quick, and after that you just have, so everything is pretty straightforward. Only that 0 to 2 from second string to third string is the quick part of this song. Okay, now that we have that sorted, let's play this entire song back very slowly. We have. Very well done. Okay, now again, read it. I'm telling you, if you can read it, it's a super easy song. Okay, that takes you to the next line of the song, goes something like this. We have. Very good. Let's break that down. Now again, mostly zeros and twos, like I said, but where we are doing it quick. Let's just focus on that. So the very start we have 0 0 kind of comes together like that. Then you have just 2. Okay, then you have 0 0. Then again the 0. That 0 to 2 jump, the same jump is still quick. Up till here we have. You understand that? After that we again have the third string open, second string open, then again the same 0 to 2 jump kind of quick, second string to third string, like that. Then again you have 0 2, same 0 to 2 jump came again. Okay, so just remember, whenever you see those 0 and 2 kind of together, just playing it fast. Okay, then you have 0 again, and then you have 2 on the fourth string, then you have 2 0. Okay, fourth string and then third string open, and again 2 on the third string, and this time the 0 2, both of them are gonna come quick. So this part you just go like, okay, so it's kind of fast. You understand it? Okay, so it's kind of fast, so we go like that. Okay, so we have 0, second string 2, and then 0 on the third string, and then you have 2 to 0 fast, and then 0 to 2 fast, and then simple. Okay, so if you just focus on those 8 notes, the one with that little flag on it, all of those are just coming quick. Everything else you just play at normal speed. Okay, let's play this entire line back and try to focus mostly on the pauses, because again the song is just zeros and twos. We have very well done. Okay, now that will take you to the next line of the song. We'll go something like this very slowly. We have okay, so as you can already see, it's pretty much very similar to the very first line that we did. Okay, the only change happens on the last part of it, where you go something like this. So I'll just play the last line. We have the 2 there, then you have 2 0. See, up till here everything is same, and then the change happens. Okay, so you are just doing 2 on the fourth string, and then 2 2 together. You see that little wiggly thing? Okay, and then you have third string open, followed by 2 on the third string. Okay, that's the only new section. Okay, I'll play it to you one more time so that we are on the same page. So the third line from the start goes like, very good. The next line goes something like this. And as you can already tell, it's the exact same as the second line. So it just repeats. Okay, that takes you to the next line of the song, goes something like this. We have very slowly. Okay, you can already spot the difference. It's again exactly like the first line. The only change is instead of 0 as the last note, we have a 2 as the last note. Okay, and that takes you to the last line of the song. I know I'm going a little fast, but again, it's very similar and it's just zeros and twos. The only thing you really have to be worried about are the pauses. Where do you play it fast? Where do you keep it like normal pace? Just look for those little 8 notes, there's little flags on the sheet. You should be fine. Okay, so the last line of the song goes like this. We have. And it's kind of a mixture of the first 2 lines only. Okay, so this will actually complete this song. Now that you have all the sections under your fingertips, it's time for you to get into the play along of the song. But before you do, in case there are still any parts, any sections you feel like you need a little bit more practice with, then I suggest you to just go back, rewatch it, practice it a little bit more, and then come back to this section of the song again. But if you already feel that you're all good and you're all ready for the play along, then let's dive right into it and see how you do. I really hope that you were able to play this beautiful song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. Now, the song is easy, it's got a lot of zeros and twos, and it's very similar, kind of, throughout. But still, in case there is any doubts, any queries, any suggestions, or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. If you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button, as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. And if you want to see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead, and I'll be seeing you soon. Take care. Bye bye.